Lake Victoria is a major freshwater fishery for Kenya. It's the source for Nile perch, a commercially valuable fish in Kenya and other sub-Saharan African nations. Fishermen often use long lines with live bait on their hooks to catch Nile perch.
It will come with a lot of arrogancy. It will swallow the fish plus the hook inside it, and it will be trapped.
And the bait that traps Nile perch are often juvenile catfish or other species. Historically, these baitfish are captured in the shallow waters along the lake's edge, where the native catfish spawn. But luring in Nile perch with catfish fingerlings has a dark side, explains Duncan CJ, a fisheries officer for Farm Africa.
This catfish, initially I said they're collected from the wild, but the wild source is not sustainable because it is seasonal, and it collected the most from along the shores, interferes with the other fish species, the spawning grounds, actually interfering with the biodiversity.
Catfish is also an important food fish for Kenyans. Exploitation of the catfish fingerlings for baitfish has threatened the food fishery with fewer numbers reaching adult size. With the help of the USAID-funded AquaFish Collaborative Research Support Program, or CRSP for short, Kenyans worked together to protect the native catfish. CJ, a graduate student at the time, was a key member of the CRSP team. The solution they found? Have Kenya's small-scale farmers grow catfish fingerlings in their own ponds to supply the baitfish market, instead of using wild-caught juvenile fish.
Very delicious.
AquaFish CRSP was in a good position to help, having a long history of training small-scale Kenyan farmers in aquaculture, teaching them how to construct and manage fish ponds. Dr. Charles Ngugi heads the Kenya AquaFish CRSP program and sees the baitfish project operating successfully on multiple levels.
The baitfish activity or project has been a win-win situation. Farmers are earning income from sale of baitfish. The traders are not spending as much time as they used to collecting bait from the wild, and so we are preserving the environment there and also conserving the endemic fish species of Lake Victoria. And the fishers are not catching undersized fish because they are using hooks and bait that can target big fish. That's mainly Nile perch. So we are seeing the three levels doing very well, and we do hope this will continue, and so that farmers can focus more on production of bait fish, especially those farmers, fish farmers who are around Lake Victoria.
George Ambuli is the chairman of the Badee Fish Farmers Association, a cooperative of 25 farmers, 9 of them women, trained by CRSP. In the local language, Badee means success, and in the baitfish market, that's just what they found.
The fingerling bait market is a good market. We produce baitfish or fingerlings. Then we have a middle person who is called a broker. That broker is the person who is a linkage between we farmers and the fish traders. He knows how many fingerlings they want. Then he contacts us. Us selling direct to the lake, it is too tedious because from here to the lake, it will need transport and some challenges.
So they come here?
They come here, yeah.
I'm not in the picture.
The Badee Fish Farmers Association has become a model for other farmers, passing on the knowledge they learned from CRSP on how to manage the production and marketing of their fish, using supply chains and group marketing practices. Fish farmer groups like the Badee have seen a 40% increase in survival rate of fingerlings. And with the new baitfish market centers opening along Lake Victoria, they've recorded about a 65% increase in income from baitfish production. The association has also been instrumental in bringing more women into aquaculture, working closely with the Women in Fishing Industry project. Eliakim Mainakola is a broker not far from the shores of Lake Victoria. Eliakim is a crucial link in the supply chain, selling baitfish far and wide.
I've been selling them outside, like Rayangiti, so Rikarungu.
Brokers, traders, and fish farmers alike are quick to point out the positive impacts the baitfish market has had on their lives.
It is good. All these homes are just built with that business.
I eat fish. I have like money, phone, even I'm paying school fees for my daughter from the fish money. I'm proud to say that fish farming has made me what I am today.